IIH online classes. In today's physics class, we are going to read about magnetic dipole moment of a revolving electron. So, in the last topic, we studied about the current carrying loop as a magnetic dipole. That means, when a current flows in a electric circuit or loop, that loop behave as a magnetic dipole. Se loop ta kono gote magnetic dipole hisabre behave karibo. Okay. So, as we know that electrons in an atom, okay, electron in an atom revolve in a definite orbital. Okay, as the electron is revolving in a closed loop, that means they can set up a current. Semane kono gote current ta set up kari paribe. Okay, so that means current is flowing due to the flow of electron in a orbit. That means this loop or this orbit must behave as a magnetic dipole, isn't it? And our intention is to find the magnetic dipole moment of this orbit in which electron is revolving, So as we know, we know that the magnetic dipole moment can be represented as m is equal to I into A. So in order to determine the magnetic dipole moment of the electron revolving in this orbit, we have to determine the current set up by the electron and the area of the loop. Okay, प्रथमे बाहर करवा current रो value टा, then बाहर करवा कौन area रो value, दिटा जाकर product नहीं गले कौन है जिबो मिली जिबो हमको dipole moment टा. ठीक अच्छे. So let us represent the dipole moment this due to this revolving electron is mu L. Okay, so mu L can be written as I into A. Mu L can be written as I into A. So I रो value टा कौन होबरे? What is I? Total charge by total time taken. Suppose the charge is E and time taken is T. होबा ना नहीं रे? ठीक है तो अच्छा. Let us find first what is the time period of the electron. Okay. Then the time period T of the electron can be written as the length of this orbit or the circumference of this orbit, total distance that the electron travels. Okay, kete distance ta travel करछि electron ta. So distance kete habo? 2 pi r, which is the circumference of the orbit, divided by velocity of the electron, electron ro velocity ta. ठीक अछि. So we got the expression for time period using the equation of time period in this equation. So we have I is equal to EV divided by 2 pi r. ठीक अच्छे. तो I रो expression केते गला EV divided by 2 pi r. Then next we know that area of the loop or circular loop having radius r केते हबरे pi r square. This is pi r square. Okay. Then the magnetic dipole moment or the magnetic moment due to this orbit of the electron can be written as EV divided by 2 pi r into pi r square. हबा ठीक अच्छे. तो mu L is equal to केते गला EV divided by 2 pi r into pi r square. We can cancel out this one. Pi cancel. Hala r square cancel out. Then here we can write EV divided by 2. EVR divided by 2. Okay. And we also know that the expression for angular momentum by expression कहते थिला MEVR ना नहीं रे. एंगुलर मोमेंटम एक्सप्रेशन कहते थिला MEVR. ओके. तो यही एक्सप्रेशन रे मु एंगुलर मोमेंटम एक्सप्रेशन टा कोन करि परबी डिवाइड करबी हला. ए जो एक्सप्रेशन मु बाहर करछि का पई द एक्सप्रेशन फॉर डाइपोल मोमेंट ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉन रिवॉल्विंग इन ऑर्बिट. I will divide this equation by this equation. So I will get mu L divided by L म्यू एल डिवाइडेड बाय एल इज इक्वल टू ई वी आर डिवाइडेड बाय 2 इंटू एम ई वी आर. ओके, एम ई वी आर हम. देन वी कैन कैंसल इट आउट. आर आर कैंसल हो गला. और रहा कौन रे म्यू एल इज इक्वल टू ई वी डिवाइडेड बाय 2 एम ई इंटू एल. करब ई वी डिवाइडेड बाय 2 एम ई इंटू एल. ओके, भी भी ये कौन हो कैंसल हो जाउची हैला. तो लास्ट एक्सप्रेशन कौन रहा एबव एक्सप्रेशन रे भी भी कैंसल होची हैला. तो भी कैंसल हैला. रहा कौन म्यू एल बाय एल इज इक्वल टू ई ट्वाइस एम ई हैला इंटू एल हैला. म्यू एल इज इक्वल टू ई ट्वाइस एम ई इंटू एल. ओके, so if as you know this is a vector quantity. Okay, the direction of this dipole moment will be determined by the direction of angular moment. हैला. एंगुलर मोमेंटम रो डायरेक्शन टा डिटरमाइन का करिवो ए डायपोल मोमेंट रो डायरेक्शन टा को डिटरमाइन करिवो. हबो ठीक अछि. ओके, so this was all about your dipole moment due to a electron revolving electron. Thank you.